uh, we are willing, we are not scared, but we are worried. Why? Si Erwin Tulfo ay isa sa mga nirereklamo ng mga sundalo, no? Tapos siya ang mag-iimbestiga. Tapos siya rin ang magdedesisyon kung sino ang nagsisinungaling sa hindi. At sinasabi ko nga, no? Pag titingnan nyo yung Section 18, no, ng Senate Resolution number 5, which provides for the rules governing inquiries in aid of legislation. Ang nakalagay doon, the chairman of the committee can cite you in contempt if you are testifying falsely. Ngayon, meron ba si Mr. Erwin Tulfo, sasabihin ba niya na we are testifying truthfully? Definitely, he will say, you are testifying falsely. And what comes next after that? We will be cited in contempt and punished. And ipa-detain niya kami. Pwede niyang gawin yun.
Pero nagsabi na siya, sir, willing naman daw siyang mag-inhibit.
Yun. Yung inhibition is addressed to his discretion naman.